Unit 261235, copy. So Bonnie Brae Trailer Park, number 8 Bonnie Brae Road. For suspicious conditions. So transfer from Moscow. Caller believes the escapee was at his home. Hispanic male, 30s, 5'2", average build. Green hoodie, gray pants. Time delay about 5 minutes. Correction, 15 minutes.
1017.
28. I'm almost pulling up. Can you ask the reporting person if they actually know that person, the convict?
Okay.
I have a high and gay.
Both are 8 copies.
Okay, that's
Okay, High and Gay is a different
caller's
address.
no longer on the phone. Maybe I'll call him back.
413.
The High and Gay address was Westchester, not Central Place. This came through Central.
Transfer.
Kilo Bravo Foxtrot 1921.
Transfer. Unit 261228.
Hey, guys.
Unit 2628. The caller does know the escape convict.
Unit 3844. 3844. When you're available, 813 Wagontown Road, 813 Wagontown Road. The noise complaint of loud.
All right, copy. I'm making contact. See if we can get a video.
3844.
Unit 261228. The caller is, the homeowner is not home. He's on his way to the Limerick P base. He's sold on video. He's not 100% sure, but he's pretty sure it was him. He does know the sister of the convict.
All right. Well, I'll check in the area.
Yeah, he did grow 2 inches.
Yeah, Limerick's not going to help him.
Thank you, Andrew. It's on the map. I'm going to pull that up. We're going to take a look here.
Copy.
3844.
Yeah, great. Paul 4, catch it.
Unit 261228.
Yeah, it's 261235, yeah.
Just advise you. Just be advised, the complaint's going to be making his way to your police department. I advise him to call when he gets there.
Here's our last potential sighting.
Appreciate it.
Right here.
We're in the area looking. Make contact. Nothing seen.
Where's that?
Copy.
That is so far away.
Just be advised, when you're clear, I'm
So
holding us
far
on
away.
assignment at a ambulance response 515 Church Road.
26,
Yeah, 3844 says.
3844 says fine.
Yeah, 3844.
I mean, that's a long drive away. I don't know what that would mean. He'd have help, or he's gotten a vehicle, if that's true. Thank you, Andrew, for that update. We're just
26, Paul 20. You can cancel my last request for the OIC from the state. Porch was able to look at other pictures. We do not believe it's the same subject.
Unit 261228, copy.
Unit 1 2, Paul.